Good morning, everyone. The last time we studied what is fossil, and we know that the fossils are remain of living things that lived a long ago. And we have 5 main types of fossils. It's trace fossil, it's part of the body, and preserved body parts, and what's called by mold, and cast fossil. We have to know how each one look and that there are 5 types of fossils. The first one is called trace fossil, and trace means that we have the fingerprint or the footprint or the track of this living thing. So when you find a trace fossil, this means that you find its footprint or track of its footprint. And part of the body, when you find the whole bones or the whole hard part of this animal under the ground when we were digging. The third one is preserved body parts. Preserve mean keeping. This is actually happen when you keep the whole body and trap it in a preserved cap like this one. So we are keeping them from being extinct. So this is a preserved body part. And actually what we preserve or what we keep, we have to write it down inside what's called fossil record. Just like a note to write down all the fossils that we found it in the nature. And then we have a mold. What is mold? Mold, it represents the space or the shape of the outside of the organism that by time it's gonna be hard and it will be changed into a rock. So it's the rock of the outside of the organism. And last thing, we have the cast fossil. What's cast fossil? Cast fossil, it's the inside shape of the living organism that's filled by a rock that's being hardened through the years. And these are the 5 types of the fossils. And then we will take this small page, and it's so easy. It's talking about some animals and plants from the past. We have to know this new keyword, which is extinct. What's the meaning of extinct? Extinct means that an animal or a plant will die off and we cannot find it anymore in the nature. Just like the dinosaurs. And here's small info that you have to know about the dinosaurs. Actually, they were reptiles, and this is a type of animals. They are reptiles. They extinct long ago. They are reproduced by laying eggs and not by giving birth. And we have different sizes for these dinosaurs. And not only dinosaurs are the animals that extinct, we also have some plants that extinct. We have a petrified wood. It's a piece of wood that gradually replaced and turned into rocks, and many years have passed and it changed by the time into a rock. So also plants can be found under the ground and it can be extinct. It can die and cannot be found anymore. Okay, I hope you enjoy this session and thank you so much.